Hello guys, we're on our way to the hospital. Ang aking pasyente, siya pa nagda-drive. Well, able pa naman siya. We rang the Australian poison hotline kasi lumapad na yung redness sa kanyang leg. At ang sabi, baka daw cellulitis na, meaning may infection na. At para ma-prevent yung further infection, isugod ko na daw sa ospital, daling ko na daw sa ospital para mabigyan na ng antibiotic. So ayan, at the moment it's 23:43, so 11:45 midnight. We're on our way to the hospital. Ayan, so malaman kung kami makakauwi tonight or we will have to stay for the night at the hospital. Masaklap pa. Tomorrow 9 a.m. is my treatment. So, malaman.
No blood thinners or anything? No. Have you had it? Still sore now?
Yeah. Very sore, like touch sore. It's sort of like whole thing's swollen.
Just gonna compare.
Swollen, isn't it?
Yeah, very.
Here we go, guys. Long story short, he's on a drip. Antibiotic daw. We'll be here for 30 minutes. And then we can go home. What's that? Oh no. Oh, maybe it needs to be plugged in. Ba yan? Umaawit ang kanyang... What's wrong? Wait. Ay nako guys, ito mabalik tayo. Ayan, nilagyan ng kasi nilagyan ng blanket kasi nafo-fold yung dito, naabala yung daloy, kaya siya umaawit. Okay na ngayon. Nadagdagan pa tuloy yung aming 30 minutes. No, it's 40 minutes. Yun na nga, may cellulitis na nga daw siya kasi lumapad na yung redness sa kanyang leg. Kailangan ng antibiotic para hindi na lumala. Okay naman siya, wala naman talagang problema. Yun lang, kailangan pigilan yung cellulitis. What else? And then we're ready to go after the trip. Makatulog na rin. Masakit na ulo ko sa antok, sa puya. Tapos bukas maaga din gigising. Kasi prepare naman ako for my treatment ng 9 o'clock. Anyway, buti na lang pumayag siya magpadala sa ospital. Kaya,
hey people, don't wait 3 days before you get seen. I should have done this straight away and I wouldn't have had bad 3 days.
That's it. Yeah, matigas kasi ang ulo, stubborn. Naalok ko yan nung una pa lang na gabi na nag-chill siya. Naalok ko na siya. Sinasabi ko na sa kanya, tatawag na ako ng ambulansya. Wag daw muna. Oobserbahan daw niya. Ngayon, dito rin ang bagsak namin.
The doctor said, if your body's trying to throw you out of bed, it means there's something wrong.
Obviously. Mabuti na lang dito. Mababait ang mga nurses. Mababait ang mga doktor. Kaya lang, public hospital, kailangan talaga, yung may waiting period. So, kanina, dinala na kami doon sa triage. Tapos, nilagyan na siya ng cannula. Tapos, pinalabas kami para maghintay sa tawag ng doktor. How long did we wait for the doctor?
So we got here. We left
About
at
an hour?
11. Yeah, about an hour.
About an hour. Ang hirap pa naman ng upo kasi yung upuan nila pangit. Uncomfortable. Yung upo, nag-i-slide ka ba? Kapag sumandal kang ganyan, nadadaus-dus ka na gano'n. Ang hirap, pag inaanto ka kasi, di ba, pupwesto kang ganyan. Dumadaus-dus ka. Yeah. Buti na lang, andito na kami. 30 minutes daw. Oh, sige, wala man yan. Basta pagkatapos na nito, uwi na kami. Oh, tapos na. Ayun, tapos na. Ubus na. Yes. Uwi na. We're going home. We're just waiting for the nurse na tanggalin at makakauwi na rin sa wakas.
You just got it. We done?
I think so.
You think so? Yeah, looks like. Oh, good. Oh, that's fine. But they could sometimes becoming bigger.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's not a warning. That should be fine. That it's happening. If you notice the swelling is becoming bigger, that's okay for the first 48 hours. But after that, if it's the swelling or the redness is becoming bigger or not getting better, that's a warning sign that there is no response to antibiotic. You need to come
back. Okay.
Should start to stop the sweats.
Yeah, it should be. Yep.
Oh, cool.
Should start like tonight, mostly.
Yeah.
Yeah, like.
I couldn't believe how wet my pillow was.
Yeah,
just in
yeah. Sometimes
few hours.
this is our body mechanism, like the defense mechanism from our body to fight against the bugs and the toxins from the bugs. Okay.
Yeah.
Yep.
Beautiful.
Yeah, I will just check the nurse and come back for you.
Thank you.
No, thank you.
So, there you go, guys. That's all for tonight. Hopefully, gumaling na yung paa niya. Okay, guys. See you next time. Bye. Here we go, guys. Waiting for 1.5 hours. About 1.5 hours. Parang lumulutang ang aking ulo, ang aking utak. Sa puyat. Dahil sa nangyari kagabi. But, anyhow, binigyan ako ng juice. Nag-alok sila ng coffee, tea. Hindi ako makasagot. Kasi sinabi niya, juice. Ayan, juice. Ito na lang. No sugar. No added sugar. Oh, that's good. Yes, please. Yan. So, katapos nito, uwian na. Makatulog. Makabawi ng tulog. So, yes, water in that. Put water in that container. Yeah. Ayan, kasi baka matamis. Ay naku, ito yung mapait. Ito yung siguro sinasama nila yung yung balat sa pag-juice. Napait. Pero sabi nila, pag mapait, maganda sa katawan. So, tiisin na natin ang pait. So, there you go, guys. Ito na ang aking treatment. Yeah. And thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye, God bless.